Alrighty, in this video we're going to talk about locking layers and unlocking layers. So one of the things that you'll notice in Photoshop is you'll see on this layers tab, you'll see there's a little lock button. That means you can lock a layer. Now what that means is that you cannot access it. You can't do anything to it. You can't move it. And so as you can see, the background layer is locked, meaning I can't do anything to it even if I wanted to. So if you have some graphics that you do not want to have move, or you don't want them to be messed with as you're designing, you can lock those layers. A lot of times that's something that you may lock a background, or you may lock a lower third or some graphics down below that you have right where you want and you don't want a chance moving it. Or if you have multiple layers, you can also lock a group. So I'm going to show you how to lock a group. You just highlight the group and hit lock. Now when I try to move it, it says you cannot move the tool because the layer is locked. I can't move it. So that's right where I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight and click the lock again, and it unlocks it. So now I can move it around. Now the background is locked, and you can't, when you click this, you can't click the lock button. So how do you unlock it? Well, the way you unlock it is you double click the layer, and now you can name it. You can name it background. You can name it whatever you want. You can choose a color, and you hit OK, and now it is unlocked. So if I click and drag, I just move the background. So you can, now that it is unlocked that way, you can now lock it. So that is how you lock and unlock layers. In the next video we'll talk about the opacity and the fill of a layer.